All right, here's a really nice algebra puzzle. We're given two equations. First one, A plus BC equals 2024. Second one, AB plus C equals 2023. And there's one important condition. A, B, and C are all natural numbers. So, positive whole numbers only. No zeros, no negatives. Now, whenever I see two equations that look this similar, the first thing I want to try is subtraction. So, let's subtract the second equation from the first. A plus BC minus AB plus C equals 2024 minus 2023. On the right side, 2024 minus 2023 is just 1. Now for the left side, we get A plus BC minus AB minus C. That looks messy, but we can reorganize it. Group the terms like this. A minus C minus AB plus BC equals 1. Now, notice something. The last two terms both contain B, so factor out negative B. That gives us negative B times A minus C. Now the whole expression becomes A minus C minus B times A minus C equals 1. Both terms contain A minus C, so factor that out completely. We get A minus C times 1 minus B, and all of that equals 1. Now this is the key moment. We have two integers multiplying together to give positive 1, and there are only two ways that can happen. Either 1 times 1 or negative 1 times negative 1. Let's test the first option. Suppose 1 minus B equals 1. That would make B equals 0. But wait. B has to be a natural number, and 0 is not allowed. So that case is impossible. That leaves only one possibility. Both factors must equal negative 1. So 1 minus B equals negative 1. Subtract 1 from both sides. Negative B equals negative 2. So B equals 2. Nice. Now use the other factor. A minus C equals negative 1. That means A equals C minus 1. Now plug everything back into the first equation. A plus BC equals 2024. Replace A with C minus 1 and replace B with 2. Now we get C minus 1 plus 2c equals 2024. Combine the c terms. 3c minus 1 equals 2024. Add 1. 3c equals 2025. Now divide by 3. C equals 675.
And now we're basically done. Remember, A equals C minus 1. So, A equals 674. So the final answers are A equals 674, B equals 2, C equals 675. Really elegant problem. Just one smart factorization, and the whole thing collapses instantly. All right, see you in the next one.